Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. And this is KRC20 review for midday. Let's just put that on the thing. Midday KRC20 review. Just want to make sure. Yeah, and sorry about that last time with the video playing in the background. That wasn't the TV. That was a YouTube video that's playing in the background. But we figured that out. So hopefully we won't have that problem again. But thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And shout out to the KRC20 tokens. So let's get to business. The first week of November will be crazy with the election going on. And with today and the first, there's probably going to be some up and down, right? It's not going to be stable. It's going to be a good time to get in. Like the title says, buy the dip. What's up, Mr. Lee? Thanks for joining. Thanks for supporting BTM. But let's get to the Twitter. I guess we'll start with Twitter first. I can never get this mouse and mic situated, right? I'm left-handed, so it's weird because the mic's on the left side, of which actually that might be, maybe I could put on the other side of the desk. I don't know. I need to figure that out. But yeah, it's always weird with the left side, and the desk is always right there, so it's kind of, I don't know. But shout out to Mr. Lee, and let's get to Twitter. So this is Rusty. So Rusty, happy Halloween from Nacho Nation. It's time to Scaretastic celebration. That was yesterday. Happy Halloween, by the way. And this is Bitcoin. So the new Bitcoin price is near all-time high, yet Google searches for Bitcoin remain low. So retail's not even here yet, guys. People are talking about FOMOing in the KRC20. You are early. Let me say this again. You are early if you invested in KRC tokens, right? I'm not going to say you're going to be a millionaire, but think about it. You're before retail's got in, right? You're before most even crypto. If you didn't get them through the what is that? KSRP bot. KSRP, yeah, bot. A lot of people didn't get them because they're worried about the bot. Then they were worried about the Casware wallet. And I think that kind of deterred a lot of people, which is generally what happens. I'm not sure what's up with Casplex and Casware, but hopefully they'll have it together. And 10 BPS is coming. So once this full on buy-in happens, I think a lot of people are going to start migrating over, of which, if you're like me, you have millions of KRC20 tokens. It's kind of like Turbo, right? People who got in early just had to sit around and wait for retail to show up. And then when retail showed up, the price started pumping. I think the same thing is going to happen with KRC20 tokens, right? If you can see, nobody's even searching Bitcoin yet. So retail's not even thought about crypto. Everyone is focused on the election in the US, right? So it's not even pre I don't know. I never even got coins before at the mint period. I bought a lot of pre-mint tokens that never panned out, right? I bought two particular projects I'm not even going to name. I bought a pre-mint. Actually, both pre-mint projects never came, right? The pre-mint, this one token, the token disappeared. The website disappeared. I mean, I didn't put a lot of money in it, but the whole thing disappeared. Once it pre-minted, it kind of, I don't know, man. It was weird. And another project, we bought them pre-mint. Me and my friend was talking about. He told me about it. We got on it. Again, I didn't put a lot of money in it, and I advise you to go slow, right? Buy something, see how it goes before you dump your life savings in it, or before you sell your car or your kidneys or plasma to buy crypto. Buy a small amount and kind of see how it goes. So that was the second one we bought pre-mint, and once it minted, the price plunged, not dropped, but plunged. And still, most people don't even know about the project. So it wasn't even big or marketed, or I don't know what happened, but it didn't pan out the way it should have. So be careful with pre-minted. This is the first pre-mint token I bought that actually went up after it got minted. What's up, Guy? Hi, Tiger. What's up, man? So continuing on to Twitter, while others are selling BlackRock, that boy, that beast, that monster of a corporation, bought 319 million in Bitcoin for its ETFs yesterday. Are you paying attention? 319 million for ETFs. I've been holding the ETFs, and again, I got in early, so the ETFs are making money hand over fist. And pretty soon, towards the end of the year, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is going to push back up. After Tuesday, which I think is the 9th, what's Tuesday? The 5th, what's Tuesday? The 3rd, right? After the 3rd of November, well, the 4th, because everything's got to count and pan out. After the 4th, when we know who the president is, crypto is going to go on a run like you've never seen. Remember, write it down. Let me know what you think. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't care. Conan of Kaspa, the top dog on Kaspa. What a spooky surprise. Shout out to our brother Kaspa Coin for helping not only Conan, but a lot of other projects secure a major deal with Baconi.com. Baconi, I guess, .com, Baconi.com, to help further KRC20 ecosystems as a whole. As the brother Castle would say, it doesn't get more bullish than this. Bullish. Let's see what this video is talking about, though. Shout out to Conan. These guys are always doing something pretty. And love how they're always pairing us with big dogs. Dogecoin, Shibcoin, and dog with a hat coin. Kaspa KRC20. $100 worth of tokens is up for grabs. One, a shot at winning the following the 3 steps. Which dog belongs to KRC20? That's weird. Coin Store. Shout out to Coin Store. Which dog? Of course, we know it's Conan, the top dog, right? I don't know why they put Dodge and Shib on here and cat a dog with a hat. I'm not even sure where the logic in this question is, but whatever. So this is Nacho. Let me play this in a second. Let's go to the chat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. Everyone should check out KS Dog. Nacho with the hat. NWIF has a great review video on the Telegram, and X from a great YouTuber that compares it with hat. I guess it's cat with a hat or dog with a hat. I don't remember. Too many with a hats going on, man. You guys are confusing the mess out of me. They have a strong X community and great artwork. I think it could be huge. We might check it out. I don't know. Nacho with a hat. But for now, we stick with the big boys. This is Nacho, and this is Daniel Castillo, and he's talking to Shai Novosky. What is this guy's name? Woskowski, I think. But this is the developer whose cat is Nacho the cat. Let's see what they're talking about. Quick 15 seconds.
If you were a betting man, and let's say one of these cat coins gets to $1 billion market cap, which one gets there first? Is it Shy's cat or
Shy, the Nacho?
A Nacho?
Nacho.
Yeah.
Chad?
Nacho.
Nacho?
Sorry, Wolfie.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, you Nacho too?
I can see.
What about you? If you were a betting man, and let's say one of these cat.
So of course, Nacho would be the first, better be the first cat to get to $1 billion. If something else gets to $1 billion in KRC20 token, something's really weird. or something is rigged. How can anything else other than the lead developer's cat reach $1 billion market cap, right? They said $1 billion. And that's even better, right? $1 billion market cap for any KRC20 token is right what we're looking for. This is what we bought in early for. Remember, KRC20 to the moon. Let's go. So this is a Casware. A lot of you guys are mad at Casware or don't like Casware. I personally didn't have a problem with them. And a lot of people said they got feed to death or something. But when I used them, once I finally got connected, it took a while. My freaking internet went down haywire. I don't know what happened. But when I finally got it working, I didn't have any problems with the Casware wallet. So let's see what they're doing. Check out a video tutorial on uncovering addresses with CAS or KRC20 token balances. What? What is this? What are you talking about? Yeah, I gotta turn the volume down because YouTube hits me for what are those? Copyrights on videos that are already on the internet, which is weird, right? It's already on here. Why are you guys copywriting me for videos that are already on freaking Twitter and YouTube? So I guess they're trying to, I don't know what this discover address is. But I'm definitely gonna give this a shot. Balances with Caspa when importing wallet. Hmm. I'm not sure what they're doing, but definitely worth giving a try. But let me know if you guys tried this already or if you know what they're trying to do here. So this is ever seen a network grow 46K in 45 days. KRC20 is showing us what Kaspa Currency Network can do through real world transactions. Here's a story of Kaspa's data pre KRC20 launch, averaging 30,000 daily transactions. Post KRC20 launch, averaging 1.5 million daily transactions, 1.35 million. Caspa launched September 15th. Daily transactions spiked to 8.8 million. Consistent growth over a million daily transactions became the new norm. KDAO launched October 22nd, sent a new record of 15.9 million transactions in a single day from one token launch. Okay, let me check out KDAO. More than 2K Bitcoin, 3x Dodge, 7x Litecoin, 22x Ethereum, 22x Bitcoin Classic, I think that is. Let's see if we can look at this chart. Bitcoin's blue, green, Caspa. Okay. That's at KRC20, but it's talking about Caspa, but that makes sense. Looking at the dates here. Must be European because the date format's kind of different, but that just shows you the volume there. So shout out to Kaspa community and the Kaspa tokens. And thank you for joining. And go ahead and like, share, and subscribe and join the Twitter page or the X page or X Twitter, whatever you want to call it. Caspy is officially verified on CoinMarketCap. Follow Journey CMC and keep us all latest updates on your favorite story. So let me check that out on CoinMarketCap in a minute. Nacho blue chip meme of KRC20 gave you enough time to load. Get ready for now. It's time to take off. And this is Nachos on CoinMarketCap. And check that out. And this is Dog K. Don't be missed in spaces. Of course, Popcat built on KRC20 standards, pairing pair Popcat / USDT deposit withdrawals on November 1st at 6 a.m. UTC. So that's today. So let me check those guys out as well. New Kango, all-time high, 8 million market cap. We can go to the top to the Campbell tree together. Campbell can go to the top. Interesting. But yeah, Kango surprising. Kango has been running like no tomorrow. We need to check that out as well. This is Castjack. Our community. We're also joining Bitcoin.com. Bitcoin.com? Bitcoin, only buy Coney. Bitcoin. So we got Conan is listed. Casper the Friendly Ghost, Castjack, Bully. A lot of people are talking about Bully, Coon, and KOAK. KOAK. I don't know about that one. But people are talking about Bully. I seen a video about that earlier today. Caspy is now just under 20 million market cap and trending on Mexi alongside Goat and K-Dog. Picked up some yesterday and up 40%. Stop capping. Hold that cap. Think there are 3 and Nacho soon. Mexi will all run hard on KRC20. So let me see. We'll look at the numbers in a second. Almost at 20 million. So there's Kango, Conan, Nacho, and Caspy. And I definitely love the 3-legged cat narrative. So we'll sing that. And this is Turbo. We'll have a Turbo token turn up tonight, I guess. I was going to do it last night, but it was Halloween. And the night before got late and I fell asleep. We're definitely going to try to do something tonight for Turbo. Turbo turn up time. Let's go. It's Turbo turn up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. Caspa's the Army, better yet the Navy. Shout out to the Air Force. And if Elon Musk ever get it together, the Space Force, Caspa's going to the moon, baby. So this is all live to buy Caspy. Let's expand Caspy.io. Mexi, Crypto Coat, 100% fair launch. Loving the welcome community. 3,000 holders. Caspy Games. What? Caspy cat food brand. What? You guys are taking this memes to a whole new level. We are officially list date for buyconey.com. Pack those bags and become, because we will be launching on 3 different CEX back to back. This will be one of the most legendary bull runs in crypto history. And if Mexi posts reaches 1K reposts, I'll make a video dancing with my kitty. Make me dance. So let me see. Let's go to this video real quick. This is your crypto crew.
Today we'll be discussing some updates on the KRC20 meme coins, the projects I'm currently invested in, the communities I'm having my eyes on, and most importantly, why.
And I believe that the best meme coins actually have more utility than almost all tech alts. What do they offer? Having fun, loneliness reduction, identity, cutting edge culture, grace of participation, relatability, emotional connection, mission and meaning, entertainment.
Trying to get this volume back up. It's weird because the thing opens 3 or 4 windows, which doesn't make sense. But we'll make it work. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs.
Collective artistic expression, collective imagined reality, storytelling and lore building. And it's just hilarious to think about even the possibility of getting rich off of memes. So it kind of becomes a reflexive self-fulfilling prophecy. And all of this is before we discuss the token itself.
This is the moment when I realized how much potential the crypto ocean has, and meme coins specifically as a narrative. And to be honest, I think it's fun to hunt down the next meme coin unicorn. Now, as I got more invested in the meme coin narrative, especially as of a few weeks, I've started to alter my views on meme coins when witnessing the emergence of the KRC20 meme coins, specifically the strength of a true crypto or tokenized community. Not only have these communities of the KRC20 meme coin projects made it fairly easy to keep my conviction in Kaspa high as these community are building on the Kaspa network, I've welcomed a newfound passion for the KRC20 meme coins as a whole, witnessing true passion on this part of the crypto ocean because of the KRC20 communities. And this is exactly what meme coin expert Murad Mahmudov shared at the recent Token 2049 in Singapore.
Meme coins are simpler than tech alts. They're more liquid than NFTs. They're safer than DeFi. They have no inflation, no unlocks. You have better odds than with sports betting or casinos. You have more volatility, aka excitement. It's a fresher narrative. It gives retail a chance to win. And the community is much more passionate than in any other crypto asset class.
I enjoy having my KRC20 meme coins. I enjoy seeing the developments, the giveaways, the competition on X, and of course, the listings on some of these meme coins, which we will be getting into later on in this vid. All of these are the fruit of the work the communities of these KRC20 meme coins have put in, and it is compelling to say the least. The moment you realize some of these projects have emerged in under 30 days. And you know what? This is a biblical practice. The word of God stimulates one to increase more and more, to do your own business and work with your own hands, that you may have lack of nothing, touching on abundance. See, Crypto Crew, I heard stories of a dev at Conan of Kaspa putting in 18 hours of work per day just because he believes in his project and in his team. He loves the community and is willing to fight for Conan. The communities of the KRC20 meme coin.
Yeah, the communities for Conan is definitely working overtime. Most of these meme coin guys are putting that work in, and a lot of these small caps, like Bitcoin, kind of does its own thing, but the smaller ones have to get known and get on Twitter and kind of grind it out. And Conan is definitely grinding. Shout out to Conan of Kaspa. Why KRC meme not have funds to get listed on exchange? However, they're axing money to the community. Not have funds. Actually, most of them do. Most of them are listed, but most of them don't want to put up their entire development fund to get listed. So that's why they ask the community, or ask the community. And most of the time, the community's putting the money up, which kind of makes the community stronger, right? Anything you invest in, you're going to take care of and be more active. Some of the stuff that the community does also helps push the token further, versus if the meme listed it, right, it wouldn't be as big as if the actual token is being listed for the community.
Coins on the Kaspa network are built differently, and it goes way, way, way beyond the token or coin. In a recent vid, I've highlighted the genuine supportive community of Caspy sharing the unfortunate story of a talented content creator by the name of Tommy Does Crypto, who fell victim of one of the many scams going around on the crypto ocean, and how the Caspy community, amongst other prominence within the KRC20 meme coin space, rallied together to support Tommy and help recover his stolen funds. This goes beyond an individual investor who's trying his or her luck in an attempt to defy the odds on a random investment marketplace online.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, we talked about that as well. I think he clicked on a link and went to a fake Telegram, and the community rallied and got him the tokens back plus some. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that as well.
When you're trading attention, a relentless community is the secret sauce that you need to look for. And if you don't enable poor people to get rich, then you have no community. And in my opinion, airdrops don't build community either. They care about making money, they care about having fun, and they care about belonging somewhere.
Now let's get into the KRC20 meme coins update. I mentioned Caspy, which was supposed to be the first KRC20 meme coin to be listed on Mexi until the Caspy team had to deal with a scammer, therefore throwing a bit of a spanner in the works. Back on track, already having an XT listing as well as a listing on CoinX, which is a tier 3 exchange. Plus, you can track Caspy these days on both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. But as we speak, is less than 24 hours away before Caspy will finally get his spot listing on Mexi. Congratulations, Caspy team. And as an investor or ambassador of this community, I think Caspy has
So is Caspy the first token to get listed on Mexi? Or the first? I don't know. I gotta check that. Anybody know? Let me know in the chat.
has amazing potential and has become my dark horse out of all KRC20 meme coins. I love the Caspy community, love the story of Caspy, and we at Your Crypto Crew entered a competition to tell the story of Caspy from the perspective of Caspy. And you can check out our entry on X. Help share this inspirational story of Caspy to more people, especially people outside of the crypto ocean. And yes, you'll be supporting us too. So thanks for your consideration and support in advance. Nacho the cat still seems to be the mascot for the KRC20 meme coins, listed on CoinX and PioneX Global, soon to be listed on PioneX US. And there are rumors of Nacho getting listed on a tier 2 exchange. Nacho has a great team of dedicated and semi-professional or professional ambassadors like Caspy. You can track Nacho the cat on both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Next project I've invested in is Casper the Ghost, which is also making some moves with consecutive listings on CoinX and XT. Casper is also on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and as of the making of this recording, we are entering November, meaning the Casper team is actively incentivizing the Casper community. The aforementioned Conan of Kaspa has solidified its position as the dog of Kaspa as of the making of this recording, and has just announced
Top dog on Caspa. Get it right. The top dog on Caspa. Shout out to Conan of Caspa. Let's go.
their major partnership with Tangem even before hitting $1 million market cap at just 200K MC. And you'll be able to store your KRC20 meme coins on Tangem soon, not just Conan. By the way, you can get 10% discount on your set of Tangem cards if you use my discount code in the description box below. What I like about Conan is the community, which values unity, strength, and collaboration. That's why on the Conan of Kaspa X page, you will find some fellow KRC20 meme coin partner shoutouts and crossover collabs. And Conan of Kaspa supports Donald Trump, the outspoken pro-Bitcoin and pro-crypto presidential candidate, meaning if Trump does get elected as the next 47th president of the United States, Conan may see a push up just by being associated with Donald Trump. Like many of the KRC20 meme coins, Conan is currently listed on XT and CoinX. Also, Conan has secured listings on 2 other tier 3 exchanges, that being CoinStore and Bitmart exchange, in a span of just 2 days. And it has just announced that Conan is gearing up for an epic leap, as apparently Conan of Kaspa has sealed a major deal with an exchange. Plus, several KRC20 powerhouses are joining forces with Conan, taking the leap together. Keep you updated, Crypto Crew. Then there's Goat, a KRC20 meme coin, which leading up to the KRC20 launch on mainnet in September of 2024 has been talked about in the same breath as Nacho the Cat and Casper the Ghost, yet ever since the launch has been moving a bit under the radar. Now Goat has come out of the woodwork and can be tracked on both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Goat is the first KRC20 meme coin that has been listed on Mexi, which is bullish for Goat, for the KRC20 community as a whole, and for Kaspa as well. Now, the Goat team considers Mexi a tier 2 exchange, which I personally believe is a tier 3. Apparently, Goat has landed another tier 2 exchange and is currently under integration. Also, the Goat team is in negotiation with a third tier 2 exchange, which most likely is Gate.io. Personally, I again think that is a tier 3 exchange. Be that as it may, Goat is leading the KRC20 meme coins in the exchange listings and seem to be ambitious, desiring to go after tier 1 exchanges, the likes of Kraken, Crypto.com, Binance, and eventually Coinbase. Since its implementation doesn't seem as complex as Kaspa's, GOAT might make it on more tier 1 exchanges faster than Kaspa, which would be bullish for Kaspa and the KRC20 meme coins as a whole. Now, what is noteworthy is that GOAT in just 8 hours of trading has clinched the top 3 spot within the Kaspa ecosystem with over 300K USDT in trading volume, just behind Casper and this is for your average normie investors to be able to fund them or to do one in the GOAT. Expect more.
Yeah, I was trying to unmute. Looked like things kind of got weird. I don't know what's going on. Maybe there is a glitch with StreamYard today. I don't know what's happening. Let me see. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat. Put a 77 in the chat if we are back live. Night is pumping hard this week. So let me know if I'm back. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Just trying to see. Kind of glitched out for a second. But my question is, if they don't have money, how they list to tier 1 or tier 2 exchanges? List, yeah, I figure that's what you're saying. They're listing because they do have money, they just don't have liquidity, if that makes sense, right? So with them having funds, they can use the liquidity from the fund to pay for the listings. So let me know. And this is a quick video for Nacho, and we'll get to the numbers. Let me know if you can hear me in the chat, 77 or 7. You guys still out there? Anybody, everybody, somebody? And for the video, you have to I gotta mute these because these guys will hit me for copyright charges. So always mute the video. We'll let the video play. Conan Whale lost the funds, not the dev. Lost the funds. Okay. Interesting. So there's a cool little cat video for Conan. I'm not Conan, tripping. For Nacho. Cool little Nacho video. I like the pictures. I like the information. So what is this story about the Nacho? I'm not sure what you're saying. I mean, Conan. Conan Whale lost the funds, not the dev. What do you mean the Conan Whale? Some exchanges list for free. Others have to pay many $1,000s to get listed. The team pays out of pocket or will ask the community to donate. You are correct, Big J. All right, moving forward, let's look at the numbers. So currently, Nacho, let's refresh this since we're waiting anyway. We get the latest and greatest numbers. A quick video from Caspy. Just waiting for this update so we can get to the numbers. Actually, while we're waiting, let's look at the okay. Let's look at the Castbot. So currently, did it come up? We'll get the cat. Currently, daily top November 1st. Kirby's up 334%. Cass kinked 233. Pups 221. Night up 153.3. I think somebody mentioned that in the chat. RAKUN up 137. TSAO is down 79. www.com down 82. Boinkus is down 88. Moon's down 91. The sum is down 99. Top gainers last 24 hours is Salsa 375, Mambo 315, Narcos 200%, Kaspa 192, KABOSU 120. The sum is down 99. Pape is down 92. Moon's down 92. Papa is down 67. B-Tort 67. Okay, so we're live. Top 5 by 24-hour volume. Nacho's number 1, so we're bouncing back. Kango, which is really surprising, came out of nowhere. It's pumping. Sticks pumping. You guys mentioned that previously as well. KSRT is 4 and KDAO is 5. And I'm actually going to check out some of this KDAO. So let me know if you guys are into that or heard of it. Or if you like it, you love it. Let me know what you think about it. Nacho is up 20%. I need to check my prices actually today. 132,000 24-hour volume, 51 million market cap. Conan is up 13%. 23,000 24-hour volume, 5.3 million market cap. Caspy is down 14%. $9,000 in 24-hour volume, 19.2 million market cap. Casper, 17,000. Tripping, 17,000. Want to be nice when it's in the millions. 17,000, 24-hour volume, 21 million market cap for Caspy, the ghost of Casper. Bert is 15,000, 5.1 million market cap. Bart is $278, 66,000 in market cap. Sumps, which is what I'm trying to get some pumping or some momentum going. I got a gang of this. This is $615 and 24-hour volume and 313,000 in market cap. I think that was the last here. So let's go back to the dashboard. Kango's up 7%. Conan's up 15%. Nacho's up 23%. Caspy is up 10%. Bert's up 8%. Popcat's up 44%. Goach is down 17. Dog K is down 11. KDAO is down 8. Might be a good time to jump on in there. Caspy is unchanged. Kiki is down 25. Knight is down up 106. Might have to keep an eye on Knight. Scooby's down 10. Skulls doesn't have a number. KSRT's down 10. K-Paw's up 19. Jump is up 115. What is that about? But yeah, so that is the numbers real quick. Let's go to this video from Tommy does crypto, and this is about Caspy. Dip out. Let me see what happened here. Is it working? There we go. See.
This meme coin could print the easiest and fastest 100x in the Kaspa KRC20 ecosystem. Nacho may be the #1 cat meme coin built on Kaspa, valued at over 70 million market cap already. Caspy, the three-legged cat, is on its journey to one day compete with Nacho, and it's already sitting at a staggering $16 million market cap after only a few weeks of trading on the Kaspa Telegram bot. Caspy is based off the real-life, heartwarming story of a rescue cat. She was found by the side of the road with serious injuries, including a missing leg. One kind individual found her and quickly rushed her to the vets. However, the medical bills were so expensive that Caspy's rescuer was forced into selling his entire bag of Kaspa that he had been mining throughout 2023. This exceptionally kind act allowed the cat to get the medical attention it deserved, and since then, the cat has pulled through and recovered well and looking healthier than ever, hopping around on its three legs and adopting the new name Caspy. With the launch of Kaspa's KRC20, the rescuer turned Caspy's moving story into one of the very first completely 100% fair launched meme coins with no pre-allocations nor pre-minting. In my opinion, it is the meme coins with the strongest backstories that generate the most loyal communities of holders, and I strongly believe that if Nacho is the Doge of the KRC20, as in the #1 blue chip pick, then Caspy has a chance of being the Shiba Inu of Kas, which did an 11,000x last bull run from its launch. In the last few days, Caspy has just listed on CoinX and XT Exchange, as well as CoinGecko Market Tracker, and we've already heard rumors that Pinex Global, as well as MEXC, are considering listing Kaspa very soon as well. And just look at how strong this price has looked over the last few weeks. It's extremely organic and it has a lot of pumping potential still to go. Let me know in the comments, do you hold any Kaspa, and what is your 2025 peak market cap?
So I guess that's a good lead-in question. What is your peak for? I guess that was Caspy for the bull run. And this is my main man. Let's see here. Do we want to see Bitcoin hoodie? Or let's check this guy out. Come back to Bitcoin hoodie.
I'm going to show you what I personally believe is the next big KRC20 project. And this KRC20 project is doing something that no project is currently doing. This project has a lot of things coming up in the near future that could make the price of the token go up very quickly. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research and let me know down below in the comment section what is your favorite KRC20 project. The project I'm going to be talking about today is called Stick. Stick has a very experienced team behind it, and the teams from all around the world. I have full confidence in the team behind this project. This is the first ever meme coin created by mankind. What I mean by this is people were literally drawing this kind of stuff on cave walls millions of years ago. Long before AI generated frogs, cats, and dogs took over, there was Stick, the simplest, rawest form of expression, the first meme drawn by human hands. No one's actually done this in the cryptocurrency space before and made it successful. So some people have tried to do it, but they haven't made it successful. And Stick is the first one that is on course to make this a successful meme coin project with this kind of a meme. Literally just a stick, and the aim is to get to $1 per stick, and that would take us to a $1 billion market cap. And if it does get to that, which I'm very confident it can definitely get to that, then that would give you a fantastic return on investment, because the market cap right now is around $900,000. So Stick will have a lot of things coming up in the future that definitely can help the price to get to that $1 per stick. So the tokenomics, it was a fair mint, no team allocation, so the team actually had to buy their own tokens and mint their own tokens. 1 billion sticks in existence, 1 million initial mint, and then $120,000 in market cap. So it went from $120,000 in market cap to around $1.2 million in market cap before a data pulled back, and now it's hovering around $900,000 in market cap. And the social media numbers have been going absolutely crazy. So this shows to me that there's a lot of hype behind this project, and also this project kind of has like a nostalgia factor to it. So when you first learn to draw, these kind of figures, so like stick figures. So So a lot of people, in my personal opinion, will see that and they'll be like, oh yeah, I can cling on to that and I can get involved with that meme coin project. Also, with this meme coin project, they already do have some memes that you can share, so you can get people talking about this meme coin project. And then they're also going to be doing cool artwork memes in the future. And there's actually a competition going on right now where you can go and hand draw your own memes that have something to do with Stick, obviously, and then you can actually win some tokens in the near future when the competition is over. And a lot of people are starting to do this right now over in their Telegram. Speaking of their Telegram, the Telegram is super active, and the team are always in the Telegram talking to the community, updating the community, letting the community know what is going on. And like I said, this is a meme coin project that has a meme that nobody else is currently doing in the cryptocurrency space. So it's not something that just nobody is doing on the KRC20 space. It's something that no one is doing on any network that is currently out there. And remember, the cryptocurrency market is pumping right now. Meme coins are pumping right now. So this, in my personal opinion, is definitely one that can go up in value very quickly. The sticker roadmap on the website does not look that good because it just says now to 1 billion, but there's more to the roadmap than what you see over here on the website. In the near future, they will be going on to coinmarket.com and CoinGecko. They will be getting as many collaborations with other KRC20 projects as they possibly can, and they will be going on to the XT exchange, then other exchanges after that. The XT exchange is the perfect first exchange for them to go on to, because other KRC20 projects that have gone onto the XT exchange, they have gone up very quickly in price and volume. And you can actually help Stick get onto the XT exchange by donating towards the funds to get onto that exchange. Then centralized exchanges also do a lot of marketing for the projects that go onto their exchanges. So that'll bring a lot of exposure for Stick. And Stick have also been talking about potentially doing games, animated series, NFT collections that revolve around Stick. So they do have a lot of ideas in mind on what they're going to be doing with this project. And this is the founder of the project basically telling everybody in the Telegram that they're doing a lot of work behind the scenes. They're putting their own time, money, and dedication into this project to achieve their goals, and they're fully committed to the plan to get Stick to $1 per stick and $1 billion in a market cap. This is exactly what you want to see from a founder of a cryptocurrency project. And it's one of those projects that's not just going to be here one day, then gone the next day. It's one of these projects that's going to be around for the long run. And as you can see over here, the market cap right now is $996,000. The price of the token is 0.30996881 in USD, and it's been around for 2.5 days now, and it's already in the top 12 with 24-hour volumes for KRC20 projects. So it's showing to me there's a lot of hype behind this project, and there's 1 billion total supply for the tokens, as you can see right here. So where you can buy the token from right now, you can buy it through the bot over on Telegram, but there will be easier methods for you to buy this token in the very near future. And also, if you don't know how to buy it through a bot over on Telegram, make sure you do go and watch it on YouTube, because there's plenty of videos to show you how to do it that make it a lot easier than me explaining it in this video. In the last 24 hours, in the top gainers list over on coinmarket.com, most of the top gainers have been meme coins. So this is showing to me a lot of people are investing into meme coins, and I personally believe that meme coins are going to go absolutely crazy in this current bull, and especially KRC20 meme coins, because they are still fairly new in the grand scheme of things. This is one that I did mint when it first came out, so that's why I'm covering it in today's video. I'm very bullish on this one because it's a very unique meme coin that nobody else has done in the past, and it's got a lot of things kind of in the future that definitely could help the price of the token to go up very quickly. Let me know your thoughts about this meme coin down below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.
So are you guys in the stick or not in the sticks or stick or whatever it is? Let me know what you think. So this is live trading pairs. So Popcat looks like 3 more got added, because there was 14. I think the last video was Wednesday. Was it? Yeah, Wednesday. I didn't do one yesterday. So we got Popcat, Conan up 17%, Bert, Nacho, Kiki, Pepe, Castbot, Fast, Fun. I think Bully just came on. Casprig, I don't know what this, Pint Ale, Swamp, Pirate, QQ, and Rats. So you can also get KRC20 tokens on KRC20 Change Finance. I think this is one. I think Bitcoin, I might check them out. And I think there was another place that's listed them. So still, Caspy is not on. I'm not sure what they're waiting on. Caspy is not on change. Casper, Goach, Yanni, KDOA, Silver, Somps, Dog K Mano, Nacho, Rusty, Cactus, Kango. I'm just looking through here. Bert was here. So I guess when they're here, they're kind of waiting to get liquidity to be listed. And Sticks is here. Imagine that. But we will see. Let's go to this video from let's go to this video from Bitcoin hoodie guy.
You can see hash rate still looking beautiful, my friends. 1.2 exahash. The market dominance, we're starting to recover there. Still down on the week. Still down on the week, but you can see on the day we're up 4% on the market dominance. And that's nice to see that trending back up. When you look on the week, you can see we got down to 0.11% market dominance, and now we're trending back up, which is nice to see. One of the few projects that's in the green. We'll talk about that later, see what some people on Reddit are talking about. Right here, fees paid. You have yesterday showing 500,000. I know sometimes it seems like when another day passes, it can change what it shows there. 2.2 million the day before. So that's a big increase for the miners. I don't know if you want to, but I do have channel memberships. They're 99 cents once a week. I make a little video just showing the percentage of everything that's in my portfolio. So if you're interested, you can click on the link in the description or right there on the thing. And YouTube takes a cut. Apple sometimes takes a cut. So I don't get a ton, but it's kind of fun. I only have 2 people right now, but this is the Marathon digital wallet, and or at least the one that I know that I've seen people link. I saw Tactical Investing pointing out this wallet. Plus, even prior to that, some people pointed out this was what's believed to be the Marathon digital wallet. So it's still hanging around the 86 million. You can see just on the little balance chart here. So it fluctuates, they sell a little bit, but they're still holding a chunk, which means, if they're basically kind of holding even. So maybe they're just taking their profits right now and maybe buying Bitcoin with that, but still hanging out 86 million. So they're not completely dumping. Proof of work blockchains. Now this excludes the miner fees, just the Coinbase rewards. You can see since Doge's price is pumped and Kaspa's price has declined, that we're down under $1 million, $850,000. Doge 2.3 million. I do think we'll catch Doge again, but let's moving on. You can see right here, you can see this is not Kaspa related, but everything related to Bitcoin is kind of related to Kaspa on some level. You can see that Argentina Central Bank hosts a live Bitcoin mining exhibit, because I do think some people in the Bitcoin community will go over and maybe they'll partially invest in Kaspa. You can see Kango still holding in terms of the volume. Nacho still has the number one in terms of market cap at 48 million. It has kind of pulled back and hung out that 50 million range there. It's actually up 9%, so it's starting to recover a little bit. $1 million trading volume, but Kango's got almost $2 million trading volume. Conan 1.4 million. You can see once you get kind of Popcat is 1.3 million, so Popcat's up 43%, been doing good there. KDAO keeps bleeding a little bit, down 22%. Night up 124%. You still go, 42,000. So right now, 11,000. Kind of anything over 40,000 is enough liquidity where you can sell a couple $1,000 maybe. So the liquidity is starting to get a little bit deeper, a little bit further down the page now. Check on old hoodie. Hoodie's $8,800 and no trading volume. 155 holders. That was up in the 160s. That's what happens. So now for me, the Pi cycle top indicator is something I'm going to be looking at. whether it's going to work exactly like it has in the past. Last cycle, it called the first top. It didn't get the second one, but we have a long ways to go. This line should be connecting to that one or touching it in theory. That's what it's done in the past. It's been just within days of the top of Bitcoin. Now, we've been trending down slowly for most of the year, but we're starting to recover in terms of the price. So this line's starting to work its way back up, but very gently. So maybe if after the election and there's a pump, I don't know. We don't know who's going to win. You can see Polymarket. I kind of had a feeling this might happen, and I don't know, but I feel like it's going to be it's going to get closer to back to this range, like right here prior to the election. I don't know. You can see Trump's down to 61.5%. He was 67%. And I don't think the comedian Tony Hinchcliffe being on that show, but it feels like people don't want to lose money. So people might have been confident here and really felt confident that he was going to win. And they still might believe he's going to win, but with their money on the line, it just feels like it's going to kind of get back into this range because there's only 5 or 6 states where it's probably going to matter. Some states are going to vote for Trump. Easy, it's over. Some states are going to vote for Harris. Easy, it's over. There's going to be 5 or 10 states where it's kind of a close race. Also, another metric is the monthly trading volume. I mean, we should have something with ETFs, and this is exchange, I think, monthly exchange trading volume. So the ETFs might be getting OTC Bitcoin, so their volume might not count on this. Anyways, there's some of the people I knew that were in the crypto last cycle. They're not even back. I mean, they were messing around with crypto, and then they just, in the bear market, they went away and they never came back. They're not paying attention to it or anything. Are back to buying. Yeah, I haven't checked the volume. Yeah, the volume, $140 million, up 22%. So that's nice to see. Yep. I kind of forget to pay attention to that sometimes. So this guy's saying, why is Kaspa rising when BTC is falling and vice versa? I'm starting to think, well, people will sell Kaspa when the market's green, but then buy it when the market dumps. It's very strange. Doge Tribe has infiltrated Kaspa because Kaspa does Kaspa things, my dude. It does kind of do its own thing sometimes. I mean, when its market dominance pumping, it went up to 21. Then its market dominance fell when the rest of the market was pumping. Because Kaspa is saying to BTC, fuck you, I do what I want. There's only 2 real players. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me to. So I like to check Reddit. There used to be more miners talking about stuff, but now you got this guy, he's saying, Iran preparing to strike Israel. If you're not ready for 5 cents, not sure what to tell you. I recommend having piles ready because the war isn't stopping, and we know how Kaspa reacts to the back and forth of this conflict. Sincerely, I pray this ends, not just for the price of Kaspa, but for humanity. That's that guy's theory. Kaspa's held the 10 cents pretty good, this last year. And it's been, 5 cents up to 15 cents.
I don't want to go down the rabbit hole with Kaspa, although Kaspa is the main token or the coin that KRC20. But I do want to play this guy, this Murad guy, about the meme coin super cycle.
If you look at the year-to-date performance of all the major crypto categories, they are a mixed bag. With under right of the screen, you will see that meme coins in particular are dominating in terms of our performance right now. Old memes are doing well, and new memes are doing particularly up in unison. Is over. We're all going to make it is dead. This is a natural step in the evolution of the space. If you look at the first 3 pages of CoinMarketCap, you will see that only 43 tokens have outperformed Bitcoin year to date. And does any category stand out? You will see that 13 out of the top 20 are meme coins.
So meme coins are coming, guys, if you like it or not. And I was telling you, this bull cycle is going to eliminate a lot of coins that's been hanging around, right? The market is tightening up, like he's saying. There is a lot of attrition coming, right? There's a lot of stuff that's going to disappear. There's a lot of stuff that pumped, like a lot of these. Oh, Turbo's number 8. Come on, Turbo. I need to play this video tonight on the Turbo turn up time. Don't forget to tune in for the Turbo turn up time video. I want to say, I don't know, probably 9 o'clock. Maybe do it earlier today, but I'm not sure. Turbo, Pepe, People, Flocke, Pokey, Pepe, Coin. What is this? Arch Block. What is that? MQ? I need to check to figure out what this is. This RWA, IBX, Velo, Zig, Jasmy. Trying to see. I can barely see these. Try to make it bigger, but that didn't help. But let's get back to his video, play a couple minutes. And
have outperformed Bitcoin year to date. And does any category stand out? You will see that 13 out of the top 20 are meme coins. So why is the meme coin cycle happening? There's reasons internal to the space and reasons external to the space. So first of all, there's a massive overproduction of tokens, right? There's 600,000 new tokens being launched in 2024, and this was just as of April. And there's over 5,500 tokens being launched per day. They're extremely inflated altcoin valuations at centralized exchange listing time, right? Let's ignore the software for a moment. Founders get zero cost basis on the token. VCs and angels get to buy a large percentage of the token cheaply. And then centralized exchanges, market makers, Twitter KOLs, Twitter TH artists, Telegram callers, YouTubers, they all get either token supply or dollars in order to talk about the token, right? And ultimately, retail is the exit liquidity for this. When you're launching at $10 billion valuations, retail is the exit liquidity that ultimately gets dumped on. All of the altcoin price appreciation has been relegated to the private rounds. This is what you typically see in tier 1 VC-backed infrastructure tokens this year. All of the FDV grows. It happens in the shadows. It happens in the private markets. By the time something gets listed, it gets listed at 5, 10, $15 billion valuation. So retail does not get to benefit from this at all. So they deliberately, I believe, they deliberately list altcoins at extremely high initial valuations so that even after the initial negative 90%, which is inevitable, the seed investors are still up 100x, while retail mistakenly think that it's a discounted bargain. All of the 2024 launches on Binance are literally down only. Every single one except 2. One of them is WIF, which is barely up since listing, and the other is Jupiter, which is obviously meme coin trading infrastructure. Like that in and of itself should be sending a signal here. GameFi, just as a sample category, not looking particularly great either. There's very few non-speculative dApps that have been hits in this industry, and we've had smart contracts for 10 years. So if you look at Uniswap, Pump Fund, Polymarket, Fantasy Top, Jupiter, Phantom, DYDX, GMX, Hyperliquid, Rollbit, Shuffle, Blur, Tensor, Solana, and big parts of DeFi, literally all of this, and these are probably the highest PMF products in crypto history, right? They're all either directly related to or dependent on speculation. 99% of altcoins don't justify their valuations, and they often say that it's the regulations, which is the main reason why they don't revenue share, but it's not in their interest to do so, because there are many projects that literally make $500 in fees per day while trading at $5 to $10 billion valuations, right? And goes without saying that these infra tokens aren't going to become monetary stores of value either. So if these tokens make it easy to be valued in Microsoft Excel by investment banker types, then it will be obvious to everybody that they're 100x overvalued. They need the narrative. They need the mimetic premium to support their overvalued market caps. And the crypto token markets don't seem to value revenue over hype either. This is a list of tokens that are most frequently hyped as kind of like large and legitimate revenue producers, which they are, but their respective tokens, they haven't been doing particularly well either this year. The two exceptions are Banana, which people use to trade meme coins, and Arrow, which obviously benefited from Base's meme coin season as well. So revenue creates a floor, but it also creates a ceiling. And this is probably the most important. Binance research themselves have pointed that there are $155 billion worth of unlocks coming in the next 5 years. That is a huge headwind to anything technological. VCs can't publicly embrace the meme coin thesis because it would pose risk to the valuations of tech alts, a lot of which haven't even launched yet, right? And so, just a reminder, meme coins are already fully circulating and they have no unlocks. Last but not least, Doge, SHIB, Pepe, and WIF have already proven to the market consciousness that these things can go to 5, 50, or even $100 billion type valuations. And so people are finally waking up to the idea that the token is the real product. And the crypto industry is a token production industry that is masquerading as the software production industry. Many new launches look like this. 80% of the supply in the hands of insiders. This is completely broken. Goes without saying that this does not build community. On the other end of the spectrum, you have something that's much more organic. If you look at the most organic and bottom-up meme coins, you will see that they effectively enabled poor hodlers to get rich, who subsequently become unpaid full-time evangelists for the project. And I think in the next couple of years, you're essentially going to see this ideological war. For a crypto industry that's so obsessed with decentralization, it's crazy how centralized some of the altcoin holdings have become. So the entire token market cannot sustain itself without retail inflows. But the vast majority of retail never cared about technology. Why would they care about that? Does retail care about some blockchain being slightly more private? No. Do they care about some blockchain being slightly faster? No. Do they care about ZK snarks? No. What do they care about? Let's be real. They care about making money, they care about having fun, and they care about belonging somewhere. So meme coins are not a vampire attack against crypto tech. Meme coins are a vampire attack against crypto tech tokens. Big difference. So both meme coins and altcoins are actually selling you the same product. It's the token, not the software. And meme coins are a counterattack of the trenches, right? All tokens, doesn't matter if it's a tech token or a meme token, they're tables at the casino. So why should we play at your tables when we can create our own tables, right? Meme coins are a spiritual reincarnation of the 2017 ICO wave, but in a new form. And even crypto tech projects, if you look at past history, that managed to create cult-like communities and outperformed for a couple of cycles in a row, are those that either had an ICO or had some other way to let retail buy cheap before a major run-up. Why does this matter? Because when you're trading attention, a relentless community is the secret sauce that you need to look for. And if you don't enable poor people to get rich, then you have no community. And in my opinion, airdrops don't build community either. So there's also external reasons for all this. Even from 4 years ago, the world is changing, the world outside of crypto. Inflation is going rampant, money supply is growing fast, the prices of everyday goods are skyrocketing. AI is going to be coming for your jobs. Not even STEM degrees or computer science degrees are a safe way out anymore. Wealth and income inequality are as high as they've ever been, and the situation outside of the developed world is even worse. Accelerating loneliness, accelerating sexlessness, accelerating mental health issues, all of these are going up. The amount of time spent online obviously growing year by year. There's competition, everything is becoming hyper-competitive. There's few remaining perceived ways to make it by people, right? Especially young people. There's diminishing influence of religion in society. This is just an undebatable fact. And last but not least, all of this is essentially a crisis of meaning. And I believe that all of the above is bullish crypto. It's especially bullish meme coins, and it's especially bullish cult meme coins. Last but not least, stories create trends, right? For trends to emerge, there need to be stories that are percolating across the industry and the world at large about people making large gains in a particular new category. Without naming any names, we've already seen 4 or 5 of these with Pepe. We've seen 4 or 5 of these with Bonk. We've seen 4 or 5 of these with WIF this cycle, right? And all of the phantom wallet screenshots that you see of people finally making it, they don't come from utility alts. They don't come from tech alts. They come from memes. And this is why momentum is important. If you study past cycles, because of momentum and reflexivity, the things that outperform in the first half of the cycle is the same thing that outperforms in the second half of the cycle. Again, meme coins are the outperformance thus far. We've seen this with Ethereum. It pumped in 2016. It pumped twice more in 2017. Verge, pump in 2016, pumped twice more in 2017. Solana, pumped in 2020, pumped twice more in 2021. You've even seen this with NFTs, pumped in 2020, pumped twice more in 2021, right? So this momentum is important. And I believe that the meme mania, quote unquote, we had in March of 2024, I think that was just the first of the 3 pumps. And I think there's 2 giant pumps coming in 2025. So if you look at the top 20 new memes, it's only 8 billion. That just all of the new memes are still cheaper than a single VC-backed vaporware, right? So altcoins are 800 billion, unlocks are 155 billion, memes overall are 40 billion. I don't think Doge and SHIB matter anymore. The new stuff is 8 billion. That is unbelievably cheap. And money, especially retail money, it naturally wants to pump something that is easiest to pump. And that is going to be the new memes. Every cycle, the crypto asset category that outperforms the most is the one that is new, weird, and misunderstood. And parabolas are much more likely to occur in assets that are difficult to value. So not having a revenue is actually an advantage. With each cycle, the main altcoin narrative.
So what's up, Popcat? There's nothing wrong with Popcat. I think Popcat's going to pump as well from looking at the numbers, but I didn't want to, let me see, where's Popcat on here? It's up 44%. I see a Popcat. I see you out here trying to do something. That's cool, but my top cat is Nacho, then Caspy. Then I guess we'll pull Popcat on in there as well. So definitely nothing wrong with Popcat. But this is just my opinion and my meme coin review. So shout out to all the people that tuned in, all the super chats. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. On the day. And I guess we'll finish this video. This Marad was actually pretty informative. We'll do it tonight on the Turbo Turn Up time. So make sure you guys tune back in to finish this video, or you can watch it yourself on YouTube. Either way it goes. This is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Peace out. And remember, let's get back to the money and stay dangerous.